Hi everyone, welcome into Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial we will learn about the type command in Cypress. This command help us type text into input fields like login forms or search boxes. I will show you how it works with simple examples. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get more testing videos. So let's begin. In previous tutorial I have explained about the assert and click on the link by link text. So let's begin. In this tutorial, we will use this login example. Input here username and password. Let's create an other test here. It and then enter the test name here. Type demonstrate example and then function. Now inside here, first we need to navigate to the URL. So copy this URL, first navigate to the URL, and then we need to enter the username and password. For enter the username, first we need to locate the element, right click on username field, inspect and find the locator for username field. Here username, we can locate here by name. Name is equal to username. Name is equal to username. As you can view, this input field has been highlighted. So we can use this locator name is equal to username value. Sci dot get and then enter name is equal to username and we want to type here username. So we need to use dot type and then enter the username. Username 123. After enter the username, we need to enter the password in the password field. Right click on password field, inspect, and here you can view input type is equal to password, class is equal to input. This both class name are same, so we cannot locate by class name, we can locate by name. Just change here username is equal to password and this field has been highlighted, so we can use this locator name and equal to password value. Copy this sci dot get and round brackets inside round brackets double quote and then name is equal to password dot type. We want to enter the password in the password field, so here we enter the password here, password 1234. In this example, I just demonstrate how you can type username and password in these fields. Now, save this test and we can run our test. npx cypress open. Let's first understand about this example. In this file, we have total three cases. First, visit to the website. After visit to website, verify the logo. Here, locate this logo, verify this logo is present in this index page, and then validate this text by assertions. In the second test, click on the admin page link by using anchor tag. First get all the links by anchor tag and then click on the admin page link. In the third test case, visit to the website, enter the username and password. Let's run this example. Cypress is opening. You need to click here. Now, Cypress is opening. After opening the Cypress, we need to select end-to-end testing. Click on end-to-end testing and then select the browser. Here multiple browsers are available. Now, in example, use the Chrome. Click on start end-to-end testing in Chrome. After selecting the browser, we need to select the file. Here you can view this file basic. So click on this basic and test is running. First, open the website. It will navigate to the URL, verify the logo, and then click on the link. By link text, enter the username and password. Here you can view it. Type the username in username field and type the password in password field. That is for today's tutorial on type command in Cypress. I hope this video made it easy for you to understand. If you found it helpful, please like, share and comment below. Let me know what Cypress topic you want to learn next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.